Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Venus Kailan Kumanya. I am 34 years old of age, single. I live in my sister's house with her own family. I have 4 siblings and also I have 2 dogs. I am a dog lover. I am ex-abroad. I worked before in Doha, Qatar. For almost 3 years, I taking care of my old employer. And also she have 2 grandsons and 1 granddaughter. I do cook Arabic food for them. I wash their clothes, ironing their clothes, and clean their rooms. I do gardening and watering the plant outside the house. After 1 year and 5 months working in Qatar, they bring me in United Kingdom for the medication of my old employer. Ma'am and sir, if you will choose me, I will do my very best to serve you and your family. I will do my responsibility with love and care. And also, I am willing to learn how to cook your food. That's all. Thank you.